Clear Creek stands as an essential wildlife corridor for native animals in Denton, but recent data suggests that the water might not be safe for the critters that call this place home. According to one 2024 state report, Clear Creek has more bacteria in the water than what the state considers safe, making parts of the creek unhealthy for direct contact. As a result, in 2025, stormwater crews monitored more than 80 sites along the creek each month and logged 138 runoff-related pollution problems. Now, a newly formed Clear Creek Board is working to figure out what is driving those conditions.
We're basically just kind of getting our bearings at this point and meeting with some of the staff that work out there to basically see what we can potentially do to preserve Clear Creek for nature, but also for the citizens of Denton and beyond to enjoy.
But turning that goal into action may take time. The board currently lacks funding for large-scale or long-term testing, leaving key questions about the creek unanswered.
Usually in these types of monitoring programs, there's usually a fair bit of expense involved, and we simply don't have the funding right now. We're trying to collect some preliminary data to potentially put in proposals to get some of that funding.
And those unknowns matter because water quality shapes everything living in and around the creek.
Pollution causes, it's sort of a double-edged sword.
When pollution enters the water, nutrient imbalances can fuel algae growth. The algae growth attracts insects, and those insects attract predators to the contaminated water, exposing them to waterborne diseases, dwindling their numbers in the process.
It can be what we call an ecological trap.
In other words, pollution can reshape the ecosystem, changing not just what lives in the creek, but how species interact and survive. As the city works to better understand Clear Creek, the challenge will be addressing a problem that isn't always visible, but may already be affecting the ecosystem. For DCTV News, I'm Caden Stone.